There were 5 of them, numbers 565 through 569, built by Alco in 1930. No slogging your guts out here. These babies practically ran themselves. Just keep them full of coal and water, or so everyone said. They really didn't build locomotives any finer than these, and they were the pride of the entire NC until the J3 Stripes and Yellow Jackets arrived in the 1940s. The gliders were equipped with all sorts of other remarkable innovations. Worthington feed water heater and pump, standard BK stroker, etc. All of this made the fireman's job a snap when compared with the old consolidations and 10-wheelers.